always shock me how quickly the seasons can change, literally over the night. Just yesterday, we were fully in the fall. There wasn't any indication for coming winter, and yet I was so surprised to see snow coming down. It was actually so easy for me to wake up early because as soon as I open my eyes and see that outside my window, I immediately want to stand up and enjoy that day. I am cold a bit, like my hands, my nose, my feet, but I'm so happy. It's incredible. I always loved the snow, something so magical and beautiful there. But I think I started really to value those moments when I moved to Europe, which is not the same thing as Siberia. In Siberia, you have a first snow somewhere in October, and starting from November, it's gonna stay there for like March at least. So it became a really regular thing. Yes, in the beginning you're probably happy, but then the fact that you're gonna see that for the next 6 months kind of not really makes it that special. But here in Europe, seeing so much snow, and also in November, where I exactly needed to give me that boost to have a extra light because this wonderful white snow immediately removed the darkness. Also, the sounds are very different with the snow. Like everything is softer. And I think it will snow at least for the next 2-3 hours. Which means that I got more than I ever wished for. Not just the snow that melts immediately on the ground, but something so permanent it could stay for the whole day. So yeah. And it's Friday today, so I don't know what else can make this day even better. It's already amazing. It's a perfect November day. Christmas is here. What can I say? Look how it fries. And then something incredible happened. I couldn't believe that my camera can even catch that beauty. So now you can see that. So I think it's a very good point to finish my video with a breathtaking sunrise.